Hey, this is Jenna Lake. I'm redoing my video. So I'm using snap cubes, and the standard I found to use for it would be, there was a few, but I chose K.OA.A.4, and that is to find the number that makes 10 when added to any given number from 1 to 9 using objects or drawings. Record the answer using a drawing or writing an equation. So finding the number that makes 10 when you're using objects, say we could give them 4 in a stack, okay? So they have 4, and you give it to the student and say, you know, how many do we add to make 10? So they'll, snap on their cubes. You already had 4, so I would probably, if I'm writing an equation, I might already make them write 4 plus, box equals 10. What goes in that box? So they're going up, counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now they have 10. Okay, and then they would count that. To make sure that's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then to fill in that box, they would write 6. And that would give them their equation. And then obviously they could do the drawing, but I don't know, I just chose writing an equation because I think that's more, maybe, I don't want to say it's more advanced, but I guess it's more probably what they would do more so along the line as they've learned this. They might start with drawings. So they might draw like 4 dogs, 4 circles, whatever kindergartners can draw. And then add 6 to that drawing, giving them 10. And I think once they get along, they need to start writing the equation because that's what they're going to use more so. We're not going to use drawings as much. So they need to learn how to write that equation and what that equation means. And then also maybe talking with them about, and I know it's on the standard, but how just because it says 4 plus 6 equals 10, those can switch and it's the same thing. So if they started with 6 cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then they added 4, you still get 10, regardless if they are 4 plus 6 or 6 plus 4. So that is one way that they could use that manipulative. And then obviously they could use it with subtraction too, taking away, but specifically this standard discusses adding to, just 1 to 9. I don't think they go any farther than 1 to 9 addition. And they might go, I doubt they do double digit addition. Yeah, that's how you use that manipulative.